of their children's devices. Google has one of these as well on Android phones. So they're all kind of doing this. But kids have always been very crafty, I know from experience. More so than even Apple engineers at Cupertino would like to admit, I imagine. And that is making things difficult for parents, ultimately. Joining us to talk about how screen time is failing for parents is Reed Albergotti from the Washington Post. Welcome back to the show, Reed.
Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you back. So I'm an Android user. From the outside looking in, I think I've always kind of assumed that the closed nature of iOS actually ensured that a feature like this would be bulletproof. And I also realize that in technology, nothing is bulletproof. But anyways, more so than maybe without, if it was from someone else. How is screen time supposed to work? And what assurances has Apple given to users about its effectiveness right now?
Well, it's supposed to work as a built-in function on the phone where you turn this thing on and you're now in control of your kid's phone. So they can't do anything without you knowing, without you giving them permission. And the way it actually works in practice is that kids, get frustrated because all of a sudden they're trying to go on TikTok or YouTube or what have you, and they get a notification saying they're not allowed. And they start playing around with the settings on the phone, turning the phone off and on. They just basically press every button until they find a way around the screen time. And it turns out there are lots of these bugs out there, and they talk about it on Reddit. They post about it on YouTube. I mean, it's amazing how much information you can find out there on how to get around screen time. And Apple really has been very slow to fix these bugs.